Alright, at Victorinox booth, they're about to put together a nice Victorinox knife.
Alright, let's get you started. Need these pins. There's two sizes. What you want to do is, see the head there? You gotta drop them down in this they just disappear. Okay? So grab the point and drop the flat part down into that hole. It'll disappear. Do the same thing with this one on that side over there. This one here, same thing, it goes in that middle one. It's slightly different pin, it's a little smaller. So these have to see that it'll slide right over, just put it and drop it right into that little slot. Same thing over here. This one goes in that middle section. And then it's fine. Take this lever and pull it all the way back. Lock in place. And just do a check and then everything's nice and firm, so we're good. So now we start building. We need dividers. Nail. Bring it up and over and you'll line it up into the other spots.
Okay.
But don't let go, because when you do it, see how it falls out?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So if you work on that, and if this one's stuck, I'll help you on that.
I think it's the mid.
Yep, you got it. There you go. That's good. Just press it down without cutting yourself or impaling, so you can let go. And we just flatten it out, which we're good. Now we can start building the layers. This is a spring. Key ring goes onto there. See that notch?
Yes.
See that nail right there? It goes right in between. So it's like this side goes through here, through the middle, right over to there.
No? No.
No.
Oh,
yeah, I think I was right over the top. Like that.
Okay.
And then drop it and just slide it up against the thing. That's good. A little rusty here. Gotta remember to work through the can. Like that. See the hole right on the top? On that side.
No,
I'm sorry. Flip it around the other way and open it up like this. Right on top. Again, see the hole? The hole over the nail.
Oh.
See on the edge right there, yeah.
That's
So
maybe.
you're just a bad teacher, that's all. Alright, I gotta fix that a little bit. Just pop this up a notch. Slide that underneath. And then this goes over here, and just the same thing. See the hole?
Yeah.
Line it right up. That's good. And we gotta cover that up. We need an awl. It's your awl. It's your hole. Goes over that wobbly piece there. Right this one right there. Yeah. It's a little hard to see. The lighting isn't too good here either.
There we go. Where does it set back?
Just let me fix this, make sure, just tuck it in, that's good. And we get this as a divider. This separates the two layers. Again, just line up the nails onto the holes. We had trouble. We've been having some trouble with these springs. So again, see your notch goes in between the two, but you want see that side's got to be on towards you.
Oh.
So everything is through the middle except for
right
the
there.
Notch, and then just slide it to the notch.
There we go.
That's good. There you go. This piece here, just like you see it, rested right on top of that.
Okay.
And then this here, see how it's laying out? There's your hole right over the top of that. Stack it right on top of that.
So
just like you got it, yeah? Good. corkscrew flat side like that, goes right on top of there. And then this last piece, whole line it right up.
So with all these, what is this knife? What is
This model,
the classic model?
it's a Spartan.
Okay.
So you cut out, fits right over the top.
I'm a huntsman, so.
This is a huntsman, less scissors, less wood saw, and no hook. I hope this sets right.
See.
There we go. See, nice tension on it.
Yeah.
It's not loose. The other ones were loose. Take it apart. I'm going to do it with that big block. I got to seal it up for you.
Stories? Okay. Oh, okay.
Forget which way it goes. Okay.
How many do they usually assemble per hour? Are they all assembled this way then, or they have to?
In Switzerland, they're machine made.
Oh, okay.
It's a very automated process.
Oh, okay.
If they relied on doing it this way,
I thought they were. I thought that was right, you know. I was wondering. I was going, shoot, this is hard.
you would spend.
Well, I'm sure the person would get good at it after a while, but still.
Well, this machine is very limited. All it does is hold everything in place.
Oh, okay.
They do have hand machinery over there to make some like knockoffs, not knockoffs, one-offs.
Okay.
But it's so you don't have to entirely tool up a big machine.
Yeah.
But it's a lot bigger.
Want to make prototypes or something? You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah, for some I'm watching, I'm thinking they're all handmade like that. I'm like, this is typing something.
This is purely a demonstration.
Oh, good.
And unfortunately, it is not staffed by professional knife makers.
Oh. But you're doing a good job.
These pressure fit, so we'll go over the jig there. You'll you can autograph it and date it or whatever, black or red Sharpie, whatever you like.
Oh, red's my color.
There you go. Red. Sorry, I'll line it up for you. You can have the privilege of using this vise over here. What I do is just kind of hold it to one end and the other end, but just like that's good. So I'll hold it and just tighten her up. There you go.
Will it snap?
Keep going.
Keep going.
There you go. It's good.
Okay.
Release and then we'll just turn it around, slide it this way.
Got it.
Up a touch. There you go. Here, what I do is I just kind of open it and just slide it in, but use your toothpick and tweezer.